In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site service to build a website for your tutoring service. If you've just stumbled across this video, welcome to the multi-site channel. Multi-site is the fastest way to launch a simple website for your small business. You can literally have something ready in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month. And the great thing about the free trial is that you don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, give it a bash, and see how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website on the multi-sites platform for our tutoring service. Once you've signed up on the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for small businesses, side hustles, solopreneurs on the multi-sites platform. We are adding more every single week. However, if you've just come across this video and you don't even have a tutoring service, you have another small business or side hustle, and you can't quite find the template over here, let us know in the comments below and we will add it. So I'm going to go ahead and search for our market. I'm going to go ahead and search for tutoring service, which is over here. I'm going to select that one. And now multi-sites is going to ask me a few basic details about my tutoring service and literally work its magic, do its thing, and create a website for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some details here, my company's name. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. And I'm going to go ahead and change the type of business to service. Let's click continue and move along. Multi-sites is literally doing its thing, and there we have it. It's literally generated a one-page website for me, and done all the hard work. I didn't need to know any website design or coding, nothing of the sorts. And look at that, everything is literally pre-done for me. Great. So now I'm going to go ahead and walk you through each section just to show you how easy the service is to use. We have pre-written all the content for you, pre-selected images that are free to use, royalty free, just to make your life easy as possible, take all the hard work out of creating a website for a small business. However, it is all amendable, and I'm going to go through each section and show you exactly how to do that, how easy it is to do. You don't need to know any coding or nothing like that. Just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. So firstly, I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom. I'm going to click on update section at the top. I'm now going to go ahead and put my email address in, and then I'm going to click on show email and site. That is now displayed in the top right hand corner of my multi-sites page. My customers can easily click on it and be taken directly to their email app, Outlook, or whichever email program they use and drop me an email. Let's go ahead and put our phone number in. Again, click to call. Customers can click on that and be taken directly to their phone app to call. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my address and my postal code. Click on save, and now my address is displayed in the top left hand corner. It is clickable, so when our customers click on it, it will directly take them to Google Maps to get directions to our physical location if we have one. And now I'm going to click on social media links, and I'm going to go ahead and put our Instagram account and our Twitter in. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how the service is working for you. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. If there's any other social media platforms you are active on that we have potentially missed, let us know in the comments below. Let's go ahead and save that and move on, close that, and move along. Now, perhaps these colors used throughout the website just don't work for your branding. Perhaps your business cards and your everything else that you have branded is not this color, and that's completely okay. You can change the colors used throughout the website that we've pre-selected. We don't need to know any color coding or Google any color codes. We can literally click on the paint bucket here and go through various different colors to suit our business's needs. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one because it works with my branding. And there you can see the colors have been amended throughout the website to suit my business's preferences. Great. I'm now going to move on to the next section. I'm going to click on update section here and click on update logo. So if you've just started your business recently, your tutoring service, and you don't quite have a logo, that's completely okay. We can leave it as is. Multi-sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional. However, if you do have a logo, you can browse from your device and upload it here. So I'm going to go ahead and update the Mighty Sites logo and click on save. Look at that, looks really professional. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our business's preferences. I'm going to leave it as that and click on save. Awesome. Now, as I mentioned, all the images are pre-selected for you, high quality images, free to use. You don't need to download them or pay a fee, just the $9 a month for your multi-site service. However, if the content written and the images just don't work for you, we can update it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update image. I can browse one from my device and upload it. However, if I don't quite have any images, I can search from the photo library from hundreds of different images to choose from. You can change the terms just to see what comes up, play around with the words, what you're searching for, and see what comes up. So I'm going to go ahead and put it as this one. Click on save, and there we go. Look at that. That looks really awesome. Now over here I can update the content. Perhaps this text just doesn't work for you, what has been pre-written. Can change it over here. And our button we can link to various places by clicking on choose link. We can link to another part of our multi-sites website. Perhaps you want to link to the form at the bottom, which I'll get to in a minute. Otherwise, you can link to another website. Perhaps you have a calendar booking website, that service that you use. Feel free to pop it in over here. Otherwise, we can link to an action like click to call or click to email. But another great option I love is the PDF file. So you can upload a PDF file with all your tutoring service rates and all the different subjects you offer. Pop it all in a PDF file. So when your customers click on the button, it will directly take them to the PDF file over there. Great. Let's go ahead and save that and let's move along. Now again, section all pre-written for you. You can update it by clicking on update section and changing it to suit your business needs. We've now made our way to an about us section. Over here is where you can put a little bit more information of how your tutoring service came to be, how you got started in the industry, and again, upload an image here to suit your preferences or select one from the library. Great, another very professional looking website, free to use. However, click on updates if you want to search for another one or upload your own from your device. Great. On to the next section. This is the services section where you can just put a little bit more information of your services, what's on offer, the different subjects, what your tutoring service entails. Feel free to put it in here and change the image to suit your needs. Now we've made our way onto the last section on our multi-sites website. This is a form where your customers and leads can literally put in their details and send you a message and click send and submit it. Now we are getting asked constantly when our customers fill in this form, where does it go? How do I know they've done it or completed it? And that is a really great question. You will get notified via email once a lead comes in through this form. However, they also can be found in the site dashboard, which I will take you over to a second. Let's just have one more look at our multi-sites website and see what I've created and amended in literally not even 10 minutes. It's absolutely amazing, very professional looking, high quality, and remember, it's only $9 a month. I'm going to head over here to the top and I'm going to click on stop editing, and I'm going to head to the site dashboard. in the site dashboard here is where you can find the leads submitted via that form. Another really helpful, some helpful information and a question we're constantly getting asked is, can I link my custom domain? Absolutely. We understand you want a professional looking website, and with a professional website comes a custom domain. So absolutely, you can click on connect a domain here and set it up. There is another YouTube video tutorial on how to do it and a blog post over at www.multisites.com. You can also find some also helpful marketing tips on how to market your business, your small business, various other helpful blog posts, just to help you with your small business and give you a little bit more information. However, if you are struggling with linking your domain, you can drop us a message or send us a social media message or email and let us know. And you can add Marty Sites as a user, and we will do all the hard work for you. We will link your domain for you. Great. So I hope this tutorial was helpful on how to build a website for your tutoring service. Really wishing you and your business Marty success. If you have any tips or suggestions, some new features you'd like to see on the Marty Sites platform, we'd love to hear your feedback, and don't forget the thumbs up on this video.